Hey science fans! Hi, I'm Ryan from the Saskatchewan Science Centre, and thank you so much for joining me today for Science at Home. This is where we show you how to do really cool science demonstrations with things that you probably already have laying around. Today, we're going to explore a little bit of science magic. Here's what we're going to need. An empty pop or water bottle, 1 liter or 2 liter size is fine. You're going to need some takeout condiment packages, soy sauce or ketchup or maybe sweet and sour sauce, whatever you have laying around. And you're probably going to need a little bit of salt, and don't forget your magic wand. Are you ready? All right, today we're going to make a ketchup packet float in a bottle of water. So to do that, we're going to need our bottle of water with our ketchup package already inside of it. And we're going to grab our magic wand. We're going to have to say the magic words, but first, don't forget that wrist movement we've been practicing, the switch and flick. Wingardium Leviosa. And you can watch as this ketchup packet in the bottle rises to the top. And now that we have control over it with our wand, we can bring it back down to the bottom again. So how did we do that? Well, it's not really magic. In fact, it's science. Let's take a look. So what we've recreated here is a Cartesian Diver demonstration. This is named after Rene Descartes, a French scientist and mathematician who used to use this demonstration to explain gas and pressure. All that we need to do is have a bottle that's full of water. Now you notice there's a little bit of a gap here at the top. We'll fix that later. Then we're going to want to take one of our fast food packets. So you can use ketchup. I've got soy sauce here, sweet and sour sauce, plum sauce. We're just going to drop it into the bottle of water. And then what we want to do is top up the water so that the water level is totally flush with the top. We need to look at what's happening now, right now with this plum sauce packet. So it's sunk down to the bottom. If your packet floats, that's perfect, and that's actually what we want to do. But if your water isn't allowing that to float, then you can add some table salt or kosher salt to the water. I would suggest about 3 tablespoons, and then fill the water up to the very top, cap it, and shake it up, and then let that salt dissolve in the water. This demonstration is really all about pressure and density. And what we're doing when we're adding the salt is increasing the density of the water to allow that fast food packet to float. And here's how the demonstration actually works. When the density of the water in your bottle is correct, the fast food packet will float up to the very top of the bottle. And that's because there's a tiny bubble of air inside of that packet. Air is lighter and less dense than water, so it naturally rises up to the top. We're not actually using magic to make it float or sink. What we do is we increase the pressure inside the bottle. So when you have your hand on the bottle, if you gently squeeze the bottle, you will shrink the air bubble inside that ketchup packet, which makes the ketchup packet more dense than the water, which forces the ketchup packet to sink. If I release the pressure with my hand on the bottle, that ketchup packet will naturally rise up to the top again. So really, there's no magic involved at all, just science and pressure. Thank you so much for joining me here today for Science at Home. And I really hope that you give this cool Cartesian Diver ketchup packet demonstration a try. If you haven't already, please click that bell and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss another one of these videos. And if you're looking for other cool science content, please visit us on the web at sasksciencecentre.com.